What is going on? I thought somebody shooting a gun.
We need to go over the door. Ain't that smart?
That's the only way you gonna find out.
I think someone shoot a gun. Let me open the door. I mean,
It stopped. It stopped. You gonna go see what it is?
Great job.
There's 4 bucks though.
How'd you do it?
I didn't screenshot it.
Alright, you guys, it's 10:05. If you have not noticed me, I'm coming around to Grandma's house. I'm gonna cook out for dinner. Tomorrow is the football game. Yeah, yes. But I need to get some sleep. Because tomorrow is gonna be a long day. It's 8 o'clock. Oh. So yeah. I have to get in the morning, get a shower. Michaela's going to school tomorrow. Austin will be on his way and be here by the time we get back from school. So yeah, because Eddie in tomorrow morning, so she's gonna have a long day tomorrow too. But it's gonna be a fun day, fun game. Hope we win. Blackout games are really the funnest. But yeah. I'm weird, I know. I have not had my ADHD medicine today, by the way, because the pharmacy had to order it. So Charlie brought it to me when he got off work. When he went to the pharmacy to pick it up. So yeah, I'm hyper. What else? But yeah, so I'm about to go to sleep. Well, not really go to sleep. Let's lay down and relax. I'll go to sleep about an hour or so. But if you like today's video, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the football game. Bye.